The severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Allegheny, western Surrey, and northeastern Wilkes counties in northwestern North Carolina is canceled.
Whoa.
The storm which prompted the warning has weakened below severe limits and no longer poses an immediate threat to life or property. Therefore, the warning has been canceled. However, small hail, gusty winds, and heavy rain are still possible with this thunderstorm. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until midnight for north central and northwestern North Carolina and southwestern Virginia. The National Weather Service in Greenville-Spartanburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Cabarrus County, southern Rowan County, until 8:15 p.m.
Okay, so that SVR that you just heard, well, the other one that I just heard for Rowan and Cabarrus counties, that was the one that WXL42 was supposed to tone. But that got ruined by the moment that R&K, or the Blacksburg WFO, had sent out a cancellation of their own SVR for the North Carolina counties of Allegheny, Surrey, and Wilkes counties. I'll go pull up my computer for it, in fact. Yeah, so this here was the one warning that WXL42 was supposed to tone, as you saw earlier, for this severe thunderstorm warning for Cabarrus and Rowan counties there. But that got ruined by the moment when the R&K, or the Blacksburg, Virginia WFO, had sent out a cancellation of this other severe thunderstorm warning for Allegheny, Surrey, and the Wilkes counties. And the reason that it did was, get this, so these two warnings for Raleigh and GSP, these two were supposed to be toned on WXL42 for the fact that some of the counties that are on these warnings are served by WXL42. They were supposed to tone these two warnings in the form of a doubleheader. But get this, so they only toned this one as soon as it got issued at 7:14. And as for this one, well, it took 4 minutes for WXL42 to tone that. And then by the time they did was when this severe thunderstorm warning cancellation came in for WXL42. So, to put it in basic terms, WXL42 was supposed to tone an alert, but then they did it too late, as in 4 minutes late in the case of that SVR for Cabarrus and Rowan. And by the time that they did send it, was when another alert would interrupt, well, the one that could have been toned for Cabarrus and Rowan on WXL42. So, yeah, I don't know what went with WXL42 as that happened, but in the case of one alert getting interrupted by another on NOAA Weather Radio, this is not my first time seeing this happening, and probably not my last time seeing this happening on NOAA Weather Radio, since they have their own kind of goofs. Oh man.